How to make money with rain sound videos on YouTube. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make money with rain sound videos on YouTube in a lot of different niches. So firstly, I want you to come on to youtube.com. So when you come on to youtube.com, and now I want you to simply click on the search bar, and I want you to type in over here meditation videos. So once you type in meditation videos, or simply change it to rain videos. Now once you change it to rain videos, you will see all these videos come up. Now over here you can see that some of these videos have live streams, and we have 3,000 people watching. Like over here in this particular video we have 11 million people who have watched this particular content. Now if I were to open up this channel, I can see that there are even more channels over here, and the relaxed guy, this guy is making quite a lot of money. So once you come on over here, now you can essentially see all the different types of content that you can produce in this particular niche. I mean, you don't have to necessarily limit yourself to just rain sound videos. You can do so much more as well. So over here, now you can see he is just uploading videos of thunderstorms, of wind blowing across the street. We have fields of butterflies and so many things. So upon first glance, I can easily say that this person is making $10,000 plus per month from YouTube, and this person can literally just do nothing and relax, and he will continue to make money. That is how powerful YouTube is. Now if I were to take a look at this channel, so this person doesn't have a lot of subscribers when you compare it with this guy, for example, but still 800,000 subs for just producing this content. It's amazing, and this person is easily making 30 to 40k per month easily at first glance. Now how does YouTube work? How can you as a complete beginner get started on YouTube with with these videos? So basically YouTube has a CPM feature. So what that means is that let's say for 1,000 views you get about $90 if the traffic is coming from the United States, the UK, basically the European region in general. But if that same traffic is coming from, let's say, Bangladesh, China, Asia, Pakistan in general, or Russia, well then the CPM isn't that high because the market spending is very low in the Asian region, whereas compared to with the European states, they spend a lot. So advertisers just pay a lot more money to advertise in those niches, and Google takes full advantage of that, and also so does the creators. So how can you get started with these videos? So what happens is that people watch these videos, and these have crazy long watch times, because what happens is that people just play these videos and then they just let it run. So they have a lot of watch time, and a lot of watch time means a lot of ads were played. So if a lot of ads are played, well guys, honestly that means a lot of money was made in general. So to sum it up, that's what it means. So how do you get started? Well, firstly you will need to get your 1,000 sub, but don't worry about that because it is super simple. But then you will also need the 4,000 hours of watch time. Guys, if you were to upload 1 hour long videos, that is gonna be really quick, because that's gonna be super fast. So definitely not a big issue. But there are also paid services out there which you can use to actually grab yourself a lot of subscribers, a lot of, let's say, watch time as well if you want to. So yeah, definitely the options are there. So now we're gonna move on to basically see how you can make these videos. So firstly we have websites like pexels.com. So guys, pexels.com is gonna provide you with copyright free images and videos which you can publish and use as your own without getting any strikes whatsoever. So I'm gonna click on videos over here, and then I want you to type in any keyword that you want videos for. So I'm gonna type in rain over here, and once I type in rain, I can see a lot of these videos come up. Now the majority of these videos, these videos are super nice, and honestly they have really high quality images over here. So over here we have these really cool pictures and videos. So for example, in this video we have a shed, and water is dripping from that shed. This could look really nice in a loop, honestly. Then we have this particular video, water dripping, rain sounds, thunderstorm, just water flowing. That's the vision that I have for these videos, and honestly it is so easy to do that with these videos. Now apart from that, we even have videos like this, but always choose videos that you can easily loop. So in this case, we can easily loop this video. We can basically place it one after the other, and then it's gonna basically form a long video, and then basically have sound effects underneath it for as long as we want. So this is how you can source videos for your channel, and honestly you can get far better clips than the ones used by these particular channels, because honestly it is super simple. So once you have your video, now what do you need? Now you need some music. So for that we have the best platform, which is provided by YouTube themselves, YouTube Audio Library. So once we type in YouTube Audio Library, After that, open up the first link. Now once you open up the first link, now from over here you can basically see like all these different videos. Like basically I have just uploaded these videos, like just ignore this, but like simply like take a look over here. So over here we have all these genres of music. Like all these songs are copyright free, and like upon first glance you can only see 30, but like at the bottom you can like see that there are 1517 more songs in this particular genre. If I were to type in over here meditation, well then I will see a lot of like videos in this particular genre. Or like if I type in rain over here, so like I'm gonna see like a lot of songs, but I want sound effects, so I'm gonna click on sound effects, and then I'm gonna type in rain over here once again. So once I type in rain over here, I can essentially see like all these rain sounds and rain sound effects come up. So like I'm gonna play a couple of sound effects for you guys right now. So like here it goes. Just a second, let me just configure a few things. So yeah, like I'm gonna play it now, and I hope you guys like understand it. So like here it goes. So like that was actually a wooden train whistle. I mean like that was good in a way, but like let's like play this one. So like that's really nice as well. And like honestly, like there are just so many options. Like I'm gonna play this one now. So like all in all, like there are just so many options, and you have honestly like so many more sound effects. At the bottom you can see that there are 51 more, and you can scroll through them by simply pressing this next page button. So now once you have like your music, your video, now you need a video editor. Well, for that you can like go to OpenShot. Now OpenShot is an absolutely free video editing software that you can use. Now I remember back in the days we did not have this, but like now all of this is available for free. And honestly, if you don't take advantage of this, you are like seriously wasting your time. You should not do that. Definitely download this, and we have videos on this particular software as well on our channel, and also like many more tutorials are available on YouTube if you want to learn more about this software. So like you can simply download this. But like let's say you don't want to download this, well then for that you have Fiverr and you have Upwork.com. So like both of these services are really nice, and you can simply type in over here when you come onto Fiverr in the search bar video editing. So once you type in video editing over here, now you can see that people are actually charging like $20, $50, $80, $225. Like not a lot of money, but for like basic tasks. So like for example over here we can see like some more editors. Like all in all, they are not charging a lot of money, but the thing is they're gonna provide you with like quality service. And honestly that's what matters, because like at the end of the day you want quality videos, and for you to get quality videos you need to get quality people as well. So like guys, this was basically the overall review of how you can like make money with rain sound videos on YouTube. And honestly this is all that you need to do to get started. So guys, this was the video, and if this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe. Until next time, goodbye.